Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I have so much fun with leather leggings. I think that they make the cutest outfits, and this pair fits super, super comfy.
These stretchy faux leather leggings by Tagoo are definitely my favorite. I think that they are so comfortable and the material feels so buttery smooth. The inside lining is nice and soft too. And these are not by any means see through. You have full smooth coverage in these leggings. And I love the tapered leg. So you are so easily able to pair this with any shoe that you like. That high waist has a nice thick band, so you feel like you've got nice support there on the waist. This looks so great as pants or underneath a cute little dress. You're able to style these so many different ways. I have them in a size medium, which I think fits true to size. I'm usually a medium or a small. These fit so well. They obviously are tight, but I find them to be super, super comfortable. I love the support that they give me, and they're just super, super adorable, however you decide to style them.
So if you're looking for a great pair of leather leggings, I highly recommend checking out these, but that's just my point of view.